Ever had those mornings where your car just refuses to start? It's frustrating, isn't it? Let's delve into the 10 potential reasons why this might be happening. 1. It could be a dead battery. This is the most common reason, and often a result of leaving the lights or radio on for an extended period while the car is not running. 2. There might be a faulty ignition switch. If the battery checks out, but the car still won't start, this could be the culprit. 3. It could be a broken starter. A broken starter is another common issue that can prevent a car from starting. Fourthly, a clogged fuel filter can also prevent the car from starting. This is because the fuel cannot reach the engine. 5. It could be due to a defective fuel pump. If the fuel pump is not working properly, the car won't receive the fuel it needs to run. 6. An empty gas tank might be the issue. It sounds obvious, but it happens more often than you'd think. 7. The spark plugs might be dirty or worn out. These are vital for igniting the fuel in the engine. 8. It could be a blown fuse. If a crucial fuse blows, the car won't be able to start. 9. A damaged ignition coil could be the problem. The ignition coil sends power to the spark plugs. If it's damaged, the spark plugs won't work. And 10. It could be due to a blocked exhaust. If the exhaust pipe is blocked, the car might stall or refuse to start. So, to summarize, your car might refuse to start due to a dead battery, faulty ignition switch, broken starter, clogged fuel filter, defective fuel pump, empty gas tank, dirty or worn out spark plugs, a blown fuse, a damaged ignition coil, or a blocked exhaust. Understanding these potential issues can help you troubleshoot and get back on the road quickly. Remember, a well-maintained car is less likely to leave you stranded.